Alright, so I am down at the Lake of the Ozarks at Tantera here in the off-season, actually in February. I'm here attending a conference for work, and something funny happened. There's so many people here that they ran out of room over in the main resort, and they actually stuck me out here in a suite in the Estates complex. So this is my first time in a very, very, very long time actually staying out here in one of these that's owned by the Tantera Resort itself versus being like an AirBNB or VRBO type of rental. You can see this is a big building. It's subdivided into 6 different rooms. 7,000 is the one that I'm in, but there's also like 5 other normal hotel rooms hiding in this place too. There's one assigned parking spot for each one. I guess somebody's in 7,005. So I won't go down there and creep them out, but just to give you an idea of the setup here. So as you come down here, you can see there's like this little staircase that you would take. That's room 7,004 there, how you would get into it. And then 7,005, I guess you have to walk down and across the patio, which is kind of funny. You can see the sign for 7,004, 7,005. So that's those rooms. The other 4, you get to up here on this little walkway, which, as I found out the hard way, is completely covered in ice. So we'll go skating across here, see? We got a little sign with the address up there. So, these 4 rooms are up here. So there's one magnetic key lock to get in. This is mine here. And we'll turn these lights on. And then as we come down these stairs, this place is like a funhouse. So, let's see. So yeah, there's 7,001, 7,002. And $7,003 is over here. This is crazy. So, for whatever reason, I guess because of the inconvenience, they put me in the suite up on top, which is 7,000. This place is like 70s, 80s galore, in a very amusing way. So, this is my room. I love how they fixed this door stopper with the Kleenex stuffed in it. But anyway, as you can see, this one is actually owned by the Tantera Resort. Got like a standard hotel room style door with the magnetic key lock, deadbolt, and peephole. As you first walk in, there's a little closet right here with your ironing board and so forth. And then while I'm standing up on this ledge, I'll give you an overview of this gigantic living room that I have all to myself here. This is hilarious. I don't know what possessed them to give me a room this big. But yeah, I love like the green, and almost, I don't know why when I first walked in it made me think of a mini golf course with like the green AstroTurf with the color of that carpet. But yeah, pretty amusing. Nice big vaulted ceiling though. The place has loads of character to it. Then there's a half bathroom right here, which, keeping with the funhouse theme, there's a step. I've never seen watch your step actually in a hotel room before, so that's a first. So as you step down, you got what looks like actually a renovated little bathroom here with a new sink and toilet, nicely decorated. They have this goofy little half wall with a window, and the front part actually has like a raised ceiling in it. Crazy. So, the rest of the room is down a couple steps here. You can see we have this real nice cushy furniture, probably a bad choice for a hotel room sort of deal with, you know, a couple stains and things on the ottoman. But for the most part, it's actually in pretty nice shape. Super cozy. Even got like a recliner chair here too. I love the shingled roof over the kitchen. This place is just incredible. But yeah, so there's a kitchen table over here, which I'm not sure what they were going for with the chairs, but they're here if you need them. The kitchen back here, under my little 70s roof, there's almost makes me think of like those little bars that you would see next to an outdoor pool. You know, the roof and then the chairs sitting down here. It's such an interesting design. Your phone here. As for the kitchen itself, I haven't really dug around in here in any kind of detail yet. But it looks like, yeah, there's definitely no shortage of glasses. Got your dishwasher here. I'm guessing these are all probably empty. Yeah, those are all empty. Let's see, beneath the sink, they give you some paper towels. That's nice. Got a fire extinguisher, too. Your flatware. Empty, 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 and, oh, a cutting board. Got your complimentary in-room coffee here. That same rainforest stuff you always see at hotels. Coffee pot definitely needs a little bit of help. That's a bit disappointing. I use that. I'm going to make sure I wash it first. Okay, so that closet's locked. Then it looks like at some point they replaced the stove with a newer General Electric model. It's a full range. Seems like it's in pretty nice shape. Got some plates. A pitcher, for whatever reason. And some, okay, a ton of coffee cups. Didn't see much in the way of like cooking utensils in here though. Like, unless I missed it, I don't remember seeing any pots or pans. So, oh, unless I forgot to look in this one. Yep, that's it. So you do have a nice little assortment of pots and pans down here too. And some other bits. Got your fridge with an ice maker. Lots and lots of room. So yeah, that's the kitchen. And I do like these two floor-to-ceiling windows that are over here. It's a nice touch. It makes the place nice and open. You got your, like, grandma's house chairs over here. They do actually give you wood. So I guess, yeah, this is a functioning fireplace, apparently. The only thing I don't see, yeah, they have matches that are up here. I don't see anything you could actually use to start the fire. You know, there's no fire bricks and paper or anything that you could really... I'm sure you could find a way if you want to use it. But that's really interesting. I can't say I've ever stayed in a hotel that actually offers you the option to start a fire before. We'll take a look at the patio now while I'm over here. You can see this room does feature an excellent lake view. Sliding door works really nicely too. Whew, it's cold out here. So we actually stayed in that house next door, which is funny. And I have a tour up on YouTube, which I'll make sure to link in the description. It looks like somebody's fixed it up since we stayed there, though. It's all nice and repainted now. But yeah, that's your view of the lake. Water level must be pretty low right now. And you can see we're on the end of the cove, so all the garbage and stuff that washed up is still down there. But still a very pretty view. We'd probably be able to see a little better from outside the screened-in patio. Take a look out here. This is icy too. But yeah, that's your view. And then there's the place where we were last time. You can see it looks like they replaced some of the railing. Piece of it laying down there. But yeah, the house actually came out really nicely. It's very charming looking now. Okay, I'm going to shuffle back in here so I don't slip and fall. And we'll get back inside where there's heat. Anyway. This is the bedroom, featuring 2 queen-size beds, and this thing is huge, again, with the vaulted ceiling. I felt like I was walking around for 10 minutes just turning on every single light that's in this place. There's so many. It's just so big. Anyway, so we have some kind of formal-looking furniture. Everything's in really nice shape, though. Got a little desk over here. There's your access to that outdoor part of the patio I was just standing on. The bedding actually looks very nice. See, we got a down comforter, top sheet, bottom sheet. So nice modern bed linens. Pillows seem pretty nice, a little small but nice and supportive. Mattress feels pretty nice too. And then you can see in the back part here, there's this area where the wall doesn't go all the way up to the ceiling, which I guess is sort of like a little, maybe it was intended to be a dressing room. It really just functions like a walk-in closet now. You got your like laundry service there. And then in here is the main bathroom, which again, very nice. It looks like it was fixed up at some point. Got a newer sink here. Got your bath amenities. Towels all seem pretty nice too. Bathtub and shower appears that it was replaced at some point. This does not look like it's original. Actually, the shower head looks brand new. Nice water pressure. Oh yeah, really nice shower. So yeah, I mean, obviously the place is a bit dated, but I don't really see much at all in the way of cleanliness or, you know, maintenance issues to speak of. If I didn't mention it, central heat and air, which is nice too. So really, you know, the kind of the dated look does sort of work at a place like Tantera with the cabin and the woods feel. I think a brighter carpet would do wonders for this place, but other than that, you know, it's very, very charming. Total surprise getting put out here. You can see on the map too, like they actually draw you directions when you check in. So, like that whole path is what you have to go through to get out here. I'm sort of toward the back side of the complex. So these are the estates here, and then the main resort is over on this little peninsula. And where the exit is the lobby. So yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks as always for watching, and that is it.